Yeah, I haven't got it. It turned round. Do you want me to hold it?
You can't, you actually come in the water.
I am in the water anyway. I am in the water anyway.
Right. Neutral. One whack of fuel.
Ooh, that's promising.
One whack of fuel.
He serviced that, didn't he?
Hey?
It's been serviced. Ow.
There you go. I added fuel additive, and the fuel is yellow, and I don't think it's a very good additive. I think it's stopping the engine from running properly because it just keeps stalling. So give up. Can't great to see in that.
The glasses are there.
Floats well, doesn't it?
It's a boat. Yeah.
Right, I'm going to lift the. You're right holding it.
Yep.
So I can do a better job with the trailer.
Yep. Never mind. Gonna try again tomorrow?
No. I'm not going to give up, but I am. You know what I mean?
Today.
Just for now, because I'm not. You can't take a chance. I'm convinced it's that fuel. It's disgusting, and it's not. It's an additive that you put in to not to winterize, so your carb doesn't all plug up. I think it does the opposite.
I'm gonna bring you another little electric engine next time.
Yeah. Anyway.